Aktiengesellschaft Lignose bought the ailing Bergmann Company in 1921 and its factory in Suhl. The Bergmann-made Chylewski one-hand cocking pistol was perpetuated as the Lignose Einhand, and production of the Bergmann Taschenpistole continued under the Lignose name. Both were given distinctive numbers, as had been the Bergmann practice. The Taschenpistolen became models 2 and 3, while the Einhand types became 2A and 3A. The Model 1 would have been a 32 auto Einhand which, together with a 9mm short version, never appeared. Excepting the change in designations and markings, there was no significant difference between these and the previous Bergmann products. A variant of the Lignose Einhand 2A was eventually made with an extended 9-round magazine on the standard 6-round frame. The Model 2 was a Taschenpistole, vest pocket pistol, holding 6 rounds in the magazine, about the same size as the 1906 Browning. The Model 3 was a Taschenpistole, pocket pistol, with a barrel and slide identical to the Model 2 but with a longer grip, holding 9 rounds in the magazine. They are typical Browning clones, with an unlocked breech, the recoil spring beneath the barrel, and disassembly similar to the Browning, except the barrel turns in the opposite direction. The pistols are often said to be based on the 1906 Browning due to their size, but mechanically they more closely resemble the 1903 Browning, with an internal hammer instead of a striker. There is no grip safety or magazine safety, but the manual safety lever locks the sear and immobilizes the hammer. The manual safety lever may also be used to lock the slide open for disassembly. The safety lever is secured to the gun by a 2-pronged flat spring mounted by screw to the right side of the grip frame. Otherwise, coil springs are used throughout. The trigger is of the rotating type and connects with the sear via an internal connector bar on the left side of the gun. The disconnector projects upwards from the connector, but is a separate piece riveted to the connector bar. A small spring-loaded brass pin protrudes from the rear of the frame to indicate that the hammer is cocked and it can be seen or felt. There is no rear sight, only a groove along the top of the slide and a minimalist front sight. Lignose did, however, apply for a German patent in 1921, and the patent was granted in 1924. We can safely assume that guns marked with DRP were manufactured after the patent was granted in 1924. Bergmann and early Lignose pistols, at least through serial number 7894, have 12-course triangular cut slide serrations at the rear of the slide. Beginning at least with serial number 8643, Lignose pistols have 15 fine triangular cut slide serrations. While even the earliest Lignose advertisements show checkered hard rubber grips with the Lignose name on them, many early Lignose guns have been found with Bergmann grips. Designed by Hugo Schmeisser, son of Louis Schmeisser,